I'm very disappointed sa kasanang chair at sa iilan pong binasa ko, and the answer I receive is they are referred to other government agencies, DTI, Shared Services Facilities, DSWD Sustainable Livelihood Program. So inaamin po natin na wala talagang post-reintegration program ang DMW despite the humongous funds available, and we have to refer them to government agencies which I admit are not the most efficient and also underfunded. So ibig sabihin po, lahat ng umuuwi na gusto nang bumalik sa kanilang mga pamilya ay wala talagang maaasahan sa national government, because you said you have a National Integration Center which is underfunded, but you have so much funds naman in OWA, and you have over how many billions of interest income every year. So if you would have to ask Congress for a congressional amendment to increase the Integration Center fund, we're not able to give it. So we are admitting that there is no integration or reintegration program for overseas Filipino workers, whether short or long term. And if we say that we have to refer them to other government agencies, para natin inamin na wala, at yung programa rin ng ibang ahensya, I'll be very diplomatic, are wanting, hindi magagaling ang pagpapatakbo at sasabihin naman nila kulang din ang pondo. So paano po yun? Dapat alagaan natin sila after toiling so much overseas. Inaamin po natin wala talagang reintegration program na maayos.
Hindi ko po inaamin na walang programa, Madam Senator. I'm just talking about the need to reinforce our budget. Right now, we have over 100 million sa National Reintegration Center. At meron tayong yung nabanggit niyo po mga programa, at sa tingin ko po, it stands to have a better, a stronger budget from the DMW side, Madam Senator.
You were asked to respect the NEP, meaning the National Expenditure Program, to live with it, 100 million to serve all the returning overseas workers. And because of the situation in the country today, lawmakers, including senators, think 10 times before adding or augmenting a budget, which is our duty. Ang ibig sabihin po nyon, yung amendment na gagawin, na iba ang tinatawag ng iba sa pagdagdag namin ng budget. So, do I hear it clear, Secretary, that the DMW is asking for a congressional amendment to your budget for the reintegration of overseas Filipino workers, because you say that the National Expenditure Program provided only 100 million and therefore insufficient to help our overseas Filipino workers.
Senator Legarda, that'll be your last question.
What we're doing right now is making do with the funds that we have. So for instance, we run a business plan competition so that we reward those who are the deserving business plan applicants or submissions that we have. And recently we had 2 rounds of business plan competition awardees and another round in December. But yes, we could stand some support sa ating National Reintegration Center if the DMW is braced to handle the livelihood fund itself. 387 million po ang hiningi naming pondo under the NEP for this purpose, to run at least a livelihood program na hawak po mismo namin sa DMW. Of course, that's not including the OWA pa ho, sa side ng OWA. But I'm just speaking in terms of the DMW itself.
So before I yield the floor to Senator Raffy, quickly lang tatas po kayo ng kamay. Attorney Kaunan, what's that?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Madam Senator, on the part of OWA, we have also a reintegration program, and every year, Mr. Chair, Madam Senator, OWA allocates 1 billion out of the OWA Trust Fund for the different reintegration services for its members, both active and inactive, Mr. Chair, Madam Senator. we can provide the committee with
Yun ang gusto namin earlier, Mr. Chair, if I may, was magkano yun, di ba? 20.8. Ano yung interest income and where do you use the interest income? Now you're saying that part of the interest income, 1 billion, is used for reintegration programs of overseas Filipino workers to augment the 100 million only of the DMW. So we'd like to know what kind of reintegration programs and do you have a monitoring system for this? Hindi lang kung sino ang malakas, kung sino ang kilala, kung sino talaga ang nangangailangan. And how do you roll it out nationwide assuming they don't know where to go? And do you utilize the National Integration Center of DMW or do you have your own network for this?
provide the committee with the full details. But just to give an overview, yes, we work with our mother department, the DMW. The NRCO used to be part of the OWA, now transferred to the Department of Migrant Workers. And